In the fast-paced world of aerial imaging and consumer drones, few names command as much attention as DJI. As whispers of the upcoming Mini 5 Pro grow louder, drone enthusiasts and tech watchers alike are bracing for what could be a transformative leap in compact drone technology. DJI has reigned supreme in the sub-250-gram category, blending portability with power and accessibility with professional-grade features. The forthcoming model in this celebrated line, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, has already sparked intense speculation, promising to refine and reimagine the capabilities of its predecessor. This deep dive will explore every major rumored upgrade, expected innovations, and the implications of what could become the new industry standard for portable aerial photography. From its re-engineered camera system and aerodynamic redesign to intelligent flight autonomy and extended battery life, we'll unpack what might make the Mini 5 Pro a defining tool for creators and professionals on the go. A proven formula ready for evolution. DJI's Mini series has long embodied a brilliant design philosophy. Provide high-end features in a format so light, it dodges aviation regulations in many countries. The sub-250G weight class not only makes the drone travel-friendly, but also legally hassle-free in numerous jurisdictions. An upgraded eye in the sky, camera advancements. The most hyped change centers around the camera. Reports suggest DJI may be integrating either an advanced 1-inch sensor or an upgraded 3/4-inch sensor with drastically improved performance. These enhancements point to superior dynamic range, sharper image clarity, and much improved low-light capability, critical for those golden hour shots or nighttime cityscapes. Another exciting possibility is the use of a 1.7 aperture lens or a variable aperture mechanism. Variable aperture on a drone this size is a rarity and could allow pilots unprecedented control over exposure in fast-changing lighting conditions. Imagine seamlessly transitioning from a sun-drenched landscape into a shadowy canyon with no need to tinker mid-flight. Video capabilities are also expected to receive a significant boost. The new model may support 4K recording at a crisp 60 frames per second, with expanded HDR options and up to 10-bit color depth. This would grant content creators the flexibility to grade footage in post-production with cinematic precision. Add to this a rumored suite of AI-assisted shooting tools like automated scene recognition and real-time subject framing, and it becomes clear DJI is aiming to enhance both the camera's technical prowess and its ease of use. A smarter, sleeker flight machine. As drone design matures, every gram matters. The Mini 5 Pro is believed to introduce a refined chassis, developed using next-generation lightweight materials that reduce weight while improving heat dissipation and structural rigidity. The aerodynamic profile is expected to be more efficient, enabling better resistance to wind without crossing the 250G threshold. While the folding arm layout, a signature feature of DJI's mini drones, will likely remain, internal reports suggest that DJI may be redesigning hinge mechanisms for more durability and smoother operation. Aesthetics might see a polish too, potentially with more aggressive contours or matte finishes that lend a premium look and feel. Meanwhile, the remote controller may undergo its own transformation. Leaked images hint at an ergonomic overhaul, offering a better grip and tactile button feedback. Pilots may enjoy smoother control sticks, a larger display on supported versions, and perhaps even customizable shortcuts for quick access to frequently used functions. This could be achieved through smarter power distribution, lightweight battery cells, and onboard AI optimization that dynamically tunes energy usage based on flight conditions like wind speed, elevation, and maneuver complexity. Users may also see support for a revamped smart charging hub, capable of rapidly charging multiple batteries with better thermal management. AI-driven flight intelligence. Perhaps one of the most thrilling advancements lies in the realm of artificial intelligence. DJI is heavily invested in machine learning, and the Mini 5 Pro appears poised to showcase the fruits of that labor. Expect to see major refinements in gesture controls, active subject tracking, and predictive flight path optimization. Advanced computational photography may allow the drone to identify and lock onto ideal shooting angles, adjust color balance in real time, and stabilize footage even in challenging conditions. There's also talk of onboard editing suggestions, instant cloud uploads, and social media-ready formatting, all within the drone's native software environment. Precision and safety. Smarter obstacle avoidance. Following the success of the Mini 4 Pro's all-direction obstacle sensors, DJI is likely to double down with more precise and responsive detection systems. New sensors with higher resolution and faster refresh rates could translate into smoother terrain following, better obstacle tracking, and more reliable automatic returns. In addition to avoiding collisions, the drone might be capable of mapping out alternative paths mid-flight, calculating safer or more cinematic routes in real time. Improved GPS, altitude hold, and wind compensation algorithms are likely to result in a drone that feels almost intuitive in the air. A content creator's best friend. As camera drones become more integrated into the creative process, the role of post-processing tools becomes increasingly critical. The Mini 5 Pro may introduce features that allow pilots to auto-edit footage based on preset templates, apply music or voiceovers, and render content ready for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, all before even landing the drone. In a content economy that demands speed without sacrificing quality, this built-in functionality could be a major selling point. Whether you're a solo vlogger hiking across remote terrains or a social media manager building brand visuals, the ability to shoot, edit, and publish seamlessly could make this drone an indispensable tool. Price and availability. Though unconfirmed, analysts predict the Mini 5 Pro will see a slight price hike over its predecessor due to the influx of new technologies. Entry-level bundles may start in the $900 to $1,000 range, while premium kits including the upgraded remote and accessories could push prices closer to $1,200. DJI has historically maintained a steady release cadence with its Mini lineup, and insiders speculate a launch could happen as early as Q4 2025, though delays into early 2026 remain possible depending on supply chain variables and regulatory approvals. Who should consider the Mini 5 Pro? For first-time buyers, the Mini 5 Pro could represent a near-perfect balance between power and portability. It's light enough to avoid registration in many areas, smart enough to reduce the learning curve, and advanced enough to keep up with professional-grade demands. Outdoor adventurers, travel vloggers, real estate photographers, and even conservationists could find a valuable companion in this drone, especially when operating in remote or high-risk environments where size and noise footprint matter. A new standard for the drone market? If DJI delivers on even half of the expected features, the Mini 5 Pro could become the benchmark for all future compact drones. It's shaping up not just as a successor to the Mini 4 Pro but as a redefinition of what an ultralight drone can do.